Welcome to my Dad Muffin Art channel. Drawing allows individuals to express ideas, emotions, and beyond in a form. It encourages out of the box thinking, helping develop create problem solving skills. Sometimes a picture can convey complex ideas or emotions more effectively than words in professional fields like design and engineering. Drawing are essential for concept and plans. For children, especially, drawing helps develop fine motor control and hand-eye, which are foundational skills for writing and other tasks. When you draw, you activate different parts of the brain, improving memory, spatial reasoning, and attention to detail. It also helps with visual thinking, which can improve in other academic areas. Drawing can be a meditative process helping reduce stress and providing an emotional adult. The focus required to create art can calm and mind and serve as a form of mental escape. Thanks for watching this video.